Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.